Hello, I'm Chad Durazio, and this is my SPIMA 1P94 PowerPoint assignment. It's basically based off the statistics gathered by the National Graduate Survey. And from this we were supposed to find 2 recommendations for our peers that would enhance their employability skills and develop them further. So, let's take a look. My first recommendation was extracurricular activities. This encompasses volunteer work, just plain working, anything of that sort would benefit it, and let's look at the statistics. Of the 500 surveyed, 184 people of this 500 volunteered. So this is less than the majority, and it displays unwillingness or inability to participate in volunteer work. And basically this shows that maybe we could benefit ourselves by pushing it along. Activity help in writing, communication, teamwork. So of the 184 people who volunteered, 135 stated that it at least helped to some degree. This displays the majority of those surveyed believe that it benefited them in some way, which is obviously the goal. This activity helped in positive work attitudes. So of the 184 again, 65 said great extent, 79 said to some extent, 13 said very little, and 26 not at all. So again, the majority states that it at least benefited them in some way. And this is what our goal is, of course. Work experience, a little different from volunteer experience, but same thing along the lines of extracurricular activities. Of the 500, 266 said it was beneficial, so 153 said it was not. The rest were not eligible, of course. But again, it's majority speaking that it was beneficial in some way. The extracurricular activities help build teamwork skills, improves the ability to communicate, teaches responsibility, aids in managing information, problem-solving skills, and all sorts of employability skills that it benefits in some way, so that is helpful. The summary of the statistics indicate that most did not participate in volunteer work, and that those who did, the extracurricular activities did benefit them in some way. So that would enhance the employability skills. Improving skills and abilities was my second. Let's take of the 500 surveyed, 164 said excellent, 214 very good, 112 good. So that displays that it's overall not terrible in people in their ability to write clearly and concisely, but there is also room for improvement that we could slide it forward a bit. Ability to analyze and think critically, 188 excellent, 237 very good, 68 good. So this displays an overall adequacy, but we'd also like to see a little jump in that as well. Ability to solve problems effectively. Of the 500, 184 excellent, 230 very good, 80 good. So again, over majority that believe that they are at least adequate or good at that problem solving, but we need the improvement, of course. The ability to work effectively with others. 248 said excellent, 182 very good, 66 good. So what I gathered from this was that the statistically was the best of all the categories in this section. So, of course, room for improvement, but this is statistically the best one. Ability to lead, supervise others, 100 excellent, 203 very good, 156 good. Statistically, worst of all skills abilities. So this is where we really need to see that improvement start to escalate. Ability to learn, use new technology, 189 excellent, 219 very good. So it displays somewhat competence in using this either new or previously used technology. Skills and abilities will, of course, enhance the employability skills to some degree and will, of course, help in the long run. And summary, ability to lead, supervise, statistically worse. Ability to work effectively with others, statistically the best. Overall, majority of the categories were in the positives rather than the negatives. Thank you, that is my time.